have a feeling it's not going to be very good. Whatever. Was that thunder? I saw you and him walking in the rain. You were holding hands, and I'll never be the same. Tossing and turning, another sleepless night. What the hell? The rain crashed against my window pane. Jumped into my car, didn't drive too far. I know they say I saw you and him walking in the rain. You were holding hands, and I'll never be the same. I saw you and him walking in the rain. You were holding hands, and I'll never be the same. Now here you come begging to me to give you another try. I dare you love you, but I always will. But now that you are, I got to say goodbye. I saw you and him walking in the rain. You were holding hands, and I'll never be the same. I saw you and him walking in the rain. Yeah, here comes the weird part. You were holding hands, and I'll never be the same. Hey, baby, how are you doing? Come on in here. Got some hot chocolate on the stove waiting for you. Listen, first things first. Let me, and how your day today? Did you miss me? Oh, you did? Yeah, I miss you too. I miss you so much I followed you today. That's right. Oh, close your mouth, because you're cold busted. That's right now. Sit down here. I'm so upset with you. And my first impulse was to run up on you and do a Rambo. Whip out, jam it, and flat blast both y'all. I want to mess with this $3,000 Lynx coat, so instead, I chilled. That's right, chilled. Then I went to the bank, took out every dime. Then I went and canceled all those credit cards. Yeah. All your charge accounts. Yeah. I stuck it to you of every jewelry I ever bought you. Yeah. Everything did fool me. What? No, didn't go to the closet. No, because I came in to pack up and waiting for you in the guest room. That's right. What you thinking about, huh? What you trying to prove, huh? You guys juice in? I gave the silk suits, the Gucci handbags, blue diamonds. I gave you things you couldn't even pronounce. Now I can't even give you nothing but advice. Because you're still young, and that's right, still young. I hope you learn a valuable lesson, that's all. You're going to find someone less in these days. Until then, you better get to going to. You gotta go to the alley cat. Gotta wear hush puppy. Wear what the fuck? Dismiss this right silly rabbit tricks are for kids. Don't chill with the cornflakes. Oh my god, that was